Hi guys, तो आज हम आए हैं फिर से बुखारी कमर्शियल में to visit a food truck called Wheelys. Wheelys पे मिलते हैं hamburgers, hot dogs and even loaded fries. And I'm very excited to try them. So let's go.
These are the ranch fries, are very famous. This is the double patty, Mr. D. The one with the square on top is the mushroom cheese. This one is the barbecue sauce. The hot dog on your left is the cheese hot dog. And the most running is the supreme, which mushrooms and barbecue sauce.
I'm going to start with the double patty. The patty is super moist. The cheese itself just really melts onto the burger patty. Like you can really just see that the burger gels very well together. Like if I wanted to, it would be pretty hard to take it apart. And I think that that's what really makes it for me, that the patty itself is so moist that it's taken in the cheese. And it was absolutely delicious. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna try is this barbecue one. Iska jo flavor tha, the barbecue sauce, I feel like was exactly what was needed and I didn't see in the last one. So overall, a very nice light burger in my opinion. Okay, a little bit dry. The mushrooms were very soft in there and the cheese and the patty complemented it very well. I think inki ek hi base patty hai, so honestly these are just variations on that. Ultimately, I feel like towards the center, you really get that hit of mushroom. I actually really like this, but it remains to be seen whether it's my favorite one. So as a palate cleanser in the middle, I'm gonna try these fries topped with primarily the ranch sauce and I think some ketchup. So the ranch sauce is a little spicy and just the drizzle of ketchup I think balances it out, but overall I find the fries to be super crispy and a nice little in-between snack between, you know, your hot dogs and your burger or even next to it, just a light, nice fry. Okay, so now we move on to the hot dogs. So this was really nice कि इसकी जो चीज़ थी वो very well spread out थी. Generally, like there's a few little surprises. just इसके अंदर barbecue sauce है layered inside. There's also some mustard, I believe, and then here are the little hidden mushrooms that took me by surprise. Really just a good classic hot dog. So if you're looking for a timeless, you know, traditional hot dog, then this is the one to beat. If you like this video, then like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.